Akashbani Imphal Moirangthem Ibehaibi pau pajari ahanbada maruiba pau. Manipur niyonggi wangmada anoba khul kaya senggolagliba asi yengsinaba hanagi Mukhyamantri Noirangthem Birena Rajyapalda aiba jerol ama pisinduna taksinkhre. Malengi atay mafamsingda pangthoknabagum Manipurdaju International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2025 palan thorom pangthoknari. Chainagi singdawda pangthokliba Shanghai Cooperation Organization gi ngaksil mantraloi singi mifamdang Shri Rajnath Singhna cross border terrorism thingnaba wafam pukhatkire amasung Bharat ki astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla yauna International Space Station da satkiba Axiom 4 mission ngasi nungtil International Space Station da thunglagani. Manipur niyonggi wangmada anoba khul kaya senggolakpa amasung village chiefsing nongna hapsilakpagi thawong ama chatharakliba asi yengsinbinaba Manipur gi hanagi Mukhyamantri Noirangthem Biren Singhna Rajyapal Ajay Kumar Bhalada aiba jerol ama pisinduna taksinkhre. Shri Birena Rajyapalda pisinkiba jerol aduda niyonggi wangmada anoba khul kaya senggotkrabage amadi anoba village kaya hapkrabage haibadu ningthina thidoknaba audit tawnaba taksilli. Kendra Sarkar ki Gazette Notification amadi Manipur Vidhan Sabha ki Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business na piriba niyom singi wangmada asigumba thabak kaya chatharakpa asi Manipur ki yelongmi singbu nathaiduna thamnaba thorang amara haibadu ningthina yengsinba changi. Hiram asida rajniti tawbi muhutta iramdangi saktam kaloba haibasi tangai phade hainachu Shri Biren makhatana phongdokhi. Malengi atay mafamsingda pangthoknabagum Manipurdaju ngasi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2025 palan thoram pangthoknari. Kumsi chahigi hiramdi Break the Cycle Stop Organization Crime haibasini. Social Welfare Department gi miyang makhada ngasi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2025 palan thoram Imphal East ki porompata leiba DIC Hall da pangthokani. Thoram asida Imphal East Jilla ki Deputy Commissioner Rims ki Department of Psychiatry Department ki Dr. R.K. Lenin amadi Imphal East Jilla ki Additional SP Saruk yakani. Press Information Bureau Regional Office Imphal nasu International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2025 mari leinana Bharta haina mingthonba media workshop ama ngasi nongthil Manipur Press Club ta pangthokani. Rajya ki Environment and Climate Change Vibhag na sinduna World Environment Day 2025 ki theme oiriba Ending Plastic Pollution Globally haibe hiramda rajya ki thakta symposium competition ama ngasi pangthokani. Manipur ki irang laksinaba security force na mapam kiyada thibongba ki thabak chathabada lalawba amati khusukalai kya phagatba leptri. Police Control Room na thadorakpa jerol amana high intelligence ta ki phangba paw ki matung ina ngarang Imphal East Jilla ki porompat sebam lekai ta thibongba ki thabak chathaki maduda sarkar ga santi gi wari sanariba pambaina luchingba yunel ki myoi ama masagi mayimda ki phaki mangonda gi 9mm pistol ani magazine ani amadi kapa yariba maru taratare phagat pangangki. Paw asina makhatan hai tha sigi kunmarida security force ki apunba kangbu amana su Bishnupur Jilla ki manung chanba Loktak Pat ki Sampu Khangpokta leiba sang amadagi KCP PWG gi myoi amasu phaki. Pharaba myoi adu tronglawbi makha likai dagini mangondagi magazine nawba 9mm pistol ama kapa yariba maru ani phangki. Pharaba myoi aduna haidorakpadagi matung inna nachau awang likai dagi khusu kalai kaya amasu phangki khulaising aduda MA1 rifle ama 5.56 ki kapa yariba maru kunthamathoi amasung magazine nawba SMG carbine ani yauri. Rajya sida mahawsargi chanarakpa amasung laining laisolgi thorom singa loinana kangsing bara thajatra ki thorom hayeng mapung phana pangthoknaba sem saba loire. Thorom asida rajya sida leiriba jati kanglup singna amatta oina punna saruk yaminaduna ingtapa lamdam ama ohennaba thongni minasi tabiriba paw asi Akashbani Imphal dagi. China ki singdawda pangthokliba Shanghai Cooperation Organization ki ngaksil mantraloi singi mifamda ngaksil mantri Rajnath Singh saruk yari. Mifam aduda Shri Rajnath hai cross border terrorism thingnanaba terrorism da senthang pithariba sing asi khangdokminaba amadi makhatana senthang pithadanaba punna hotnaminaba tangai phade. Mang hai lebak amaga mateng pangnaba amadi wari watai sanaduna thoaningdaba thokdo kaya thingba ngamgani makna hai.
India's zero tolerance for terrorism is manifest today through its actions. This includes our right to defend ourselves against terrorism, and we have shown that epicenters of terrorism are no longer safe, and we will not hesitate to target them. We should also take proactive steps to prevent the spread of the radicalization among our youth.
Mifam loiraba tungda Shri Rajnath Singh na tongan balaibak singgi ngakshel mantri singga unadna tongan ba hiram kaya khanagadawri. Pradhanmantri Narendra Modi na sabhabati oidana pragati gi mifam pangthokhibaga loinana railway water resource amasung mine gi maru oiba project singi matangda kupna khanakhre. Mifam aduda project sing asi paikhatpada agency singna ayet apan thoandana matam chana thabwa paikhatnabagi matangda su khananenaki. Pradhanmantri na hai project ama paikhatpada matam chana loisindrabadi project ki achangba senpham ka hena hengalakpa amadi miyamna semleba project adu kanaba phangbada matam thindahali. Pradhanmantri na makhatan hai Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission gi makada paikhat iba sakot thorangda rajya singna aspirational district singda ahenba mieng sangsinnabasu haiki. Bharat ki astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla yauna International Space Station da chatkiba Axiom 4 mission ngasi nungtil International Space Station da thunglagani. International Space Station da thunglaba matungda Captain Shukla na NASA gi orbiting laboratory ISS da yauba Bharat masa ahanba oiragani. Florida da leba NASA gi Kennedy Space Center dagi astronaut mari puduna ngarang numit yung matamda International Space Station gi damak lamthaki bani. Hiram asigi Akashvani paumi Ashish Abraham na hai.
Group Captain Shukla joined the Indian Air Force as a fighter pilot in 2006. He has flown MiGs, Sukhois, Dorniers, Jaguars and Hawks and has more than 2,000 hours of flying experience. Besides piloting the mission, the Indian astronaut will have a busy schedule during his 2 weeks on ISS. But most of the time, the 4-member crew will be conducting 60 scientific experiments, 7 of which come from India. ISRO's experiments will help improve our understanding of space and its effects on biology and microgravity. One of the key experiments will investigate the impact of spaceflight on 6 varieties of crop seeds.
Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE na lawba class 10 parikha mathang sahidagi hauraga sahi amada anirak pangthoknaba CBSE na wadep lawkhre. Anoba sana kanglon asigi matung ina class 10 gi parikha February thada pangthokani aduga May thada amukasu pangthokani. May thada pangthokpa parikha asida subject ahung gi manungda science, mathematics, social science amadi language gi improvement su thaba yagani. Parikha animaki fall April amasung June da lakthokani. Kendra ki Shiksha Mantri Dharmendra Pradhan hai anoba khongthang asi mahiroi singna parikha thabada nungnangba kaya pokliba du hantahanaba laukatpani. Masina mahiroi singna line amasung masada nungnangba leitana parikha thanba ngamlagani. Masi National Education Policy lising ani kungi makhada paikhatpa thaurang amani haina su mantrina phongtokhi. Indian Med Bibak na haidi lakliba namit tarit ni asida awang nongpok lamdam yauna lebak asigi mapong khadada nong chugani. Bibak asina hai awang nongchup mayai thangba amadi nongpok thangba Bharata akanba nong chugani hairi. Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh amadi Uttarakhand dadi nonglai nukchit yauna akanba nong chugani hairi. Bharat asi Environment and Wildlife Conservation gi lamda maleng gi lebak sing dagi mangjil thana zatli haina Forest amasung Climate Change gi Mantri Bhupendra Yadav na hairi. Ngarang numidang wadam Dehradun gi Wildlife Institute of India da pangthokpa Indian Conservation Conference lising ani kunmanga gi thorumda mantri na hai. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi gi miyeng makhada Bharat ki Tiger Reserve ki masing lising ani 13 da Tiger Reserve ni futade lerambadu haujikti Tiger Reserve ki masing 29 oire hairi. Aroibada maruiba pau amo. Manipur Niyongi wangmada anoba khulkya sengolakliba asi yengsinaba hanagi Mukhyamantri Nongthamam Birena Rajapal da aiba cherol ama pisinduna taksinkhre. Malengi atai mapam sing da pangthokna wabum Manipur dazu International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking nising ani kunmangai palan thoram pangthoknari. China gi sing daw da pangthokliba Shanghai Cooperation Organization gi ngaksel mantalo singi mifamda Shri Rajnath Singh na cross border terrorism thingna ware wafam pukhatkhre amasung Bharat ki astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla yauna International Space Station da chatkiba Axiom 4 mission ngasi nungthil International Space Station da thunglagani pauloi jare.